Yeah.
Good morning. This is Rajesh from Avanova. Today I'm going to give you a small basic demonstration of how automation works. I'm going to say the basic automation, the first level of automation itself can produce a huge satisfaction for the customer. So to start with, this is our RPR cover plate, brushed steel, and these are our 4 control units. So to start with, this is the first scenario. In the first scenario, in the conference room, you can look there, all the lights are on. The T5s, the CFLs, the cove lighting, everything. All the luminaries that are in the conference room are on. Now I show you the second scenario. A press of a button would automatically change the whole mood of this situation. This is nothing but mood lighting. You can see in the earlier scenario the T5s were on, now they aren't. As we progress, look at the third scenario. Now you have the CFL slowly dimmed and then off, and you can only see the yellow light in the whole conference room, which is wonderful to look at. You get a glossy gold finish for the whole auditorium. As you go for the fourth scenario, you have the LED lighting, LED codes coming out. So that's giving the interiors a grand look, in fact. So let's move on to the fifth scenario. The fifth scenario is basically programmed for a kind of relaxation mode where the discussions go on but the projector is not in the active mode. The sixth one is also similar to the fifth one, but you have a different combination of the light fixings coming out. And there you go with the sixth one. A little dimmed white light. Earlier you have seen the gold glossy light, here's the only white light coming out. I mean to say the CFLs were on, then the world map, the beautiful looking world map is coming out beautifully. And the fourth scenario, when somebody is looking to exit, they really don't have to operate 16 switches or maybe a 21 module switches, switch off every light, every fan and then move out of the hall. Just a press of a button will change the whole situation. Now when the camera is towards the blinds, look at how they move on. This is the exit mode, and again coming back to the first scenario. So look at how the curtain shutters come in and the whole light going on. This just happened with the press of the button. So as we move, you will see the beautiful world map here, and then fantastic leather finished sofa sets with the Wenge tables. To match for the furniture, we have the Wenge cover plate. This is the absolute cover plate with 4 controls. The first control is for the projector. So all the lights go on, and when the projector starts, it gives a soothing effect for the audience. The second mode is to come out of the projector mode to have a discussion or maybe to have a cup of tea. Then the third one is when someone's looking to give a presentation on an LCD TV. So that's when he has a dim light, not completely dim light, but a 50% to 25-50% of light. And when the TV is on, it gives a very pleasing and interesting scenario for the conversation to happen. And the last one, this is called our special evening scenario. Only the beautiful, the best of our creations come out in light. So again, to come out of the whole situation, like we are trying to come out of the projector mode, here you have our DB. DB is nothing but the distribution board. It's on a Flexi Legrand board. So as Mr. Ramakrishna opens the DB, you can look at our back-end relay modules. By the way, Ramakrishna is the one who have programmed the whole thing and who have integrated the system here in the DTE site. So these are our relay actuators, the power supply units, the scenario controls, the SCS interface, that's the one that was blinking, and these are all our relay actuators. And beneath it, as Mr. Ramakrishna is opening the other DB, you'll see the basic MCBs and the other basic electrical items that are usually fixed in a house. So what I want to convey is our DB goes along with the basic items. It's not a different or a great technology. It's something which is very easy to install, very comfortable to use. But when I talk in terms of comfort, it's at the extreme end. No other product known in India is at least on par with ours. Thank you all for enjoying this scenario. Thanks Ramakrishna for integrating this thing. And the one who is shooting this video is Chaitanya. Thanks Chaitanya. Bye.